A complex of houses for sale by Scopas Real Estate and Construction. Located in western Paros, in the area of Parikia. 2 old houses needing renovation of totally 100 square meters. Main house 160 square meters consists of a living room, kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a storage room. Additionally, there is a basement area of 50 square meters for storage but also operating as a technical room. Ideal as a permanent residence or holiday home. The complex of houses is on a 6,128 square meters plot of land. Accessibility by asphalt road. All networks available. 10 kilometers from the airport. 1 kilometer from the sea. 2 kilometers from the port of Parikia.